What if you could turn a rough pencil sketch into a stunning digital masterpiece in minutes? Today, I'm breaking down my exact workflow using Adobe Firefly's image generator, and the results might surprise you. Starting with hand sketches gives eye context and direction. Firefly interprets your line work, composition, and intention better than text alone. This hybrid approach combines human creativity with machine precision. Your sketch becomes the blueprint Firefly handles rendering, textures, and refinement. It's not replacing your art, it's amplifying it. First, I sketch digitally, or scan hand drawings into Firefly. Upload your image, then describe your vision in the prompt style, mood, lighting, everything. Firefly generates variations instantly. I select the strongest result, refine the prompts, and iterating. Firefly generates result usually takes 3-5 generations to nail it. Export, then polish in Photoshop if needed. Be specific about art style, oil painting, cyberpunk, watercolor. Include lighting details and color palettes, reference artists or movements. Avoid vague terms. Test variations. Change one element at a time to see what impacts the output. Longer, detailed prompts outperform short ones. Save winning prompts for consistency across series. This workflow transforms concept art, character design, and illustration projects, client previews, or compromising quality. Use it for portfolio pieces, client previews, or commercial work. The time saved lets you focus on higher-level creative decisions instead of technical rendering. Try this workflow yourself and share your sketch to Firefly transformations in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tools and techniques.